Hey, it's Mr. Johns, and welcome back to my Lego modular building series. This is the Downtown Diner. It's a classic set, although I picked up the non-Lego kit for much, much less. So it came out in 2018, item number 10260. It is retired. You can pick it up for around $300 or so online. Mine was under $100 going through an off-brand source. 2,480 pieces, 6 minifigs, each with their unique faces. It's the first time in 10 years that LEGO has used the bright bluish green color, they call it. It's teal, in my opinion. It's the 13th modular in the series. It's the third to include a vehicle, which is a pink 1950s convertible that is kind of reminiscent of Elvis's pink 1950s convertible Cadillac. On the first floor, you'll find a diner with a jukebox and soda fountain and a waitress skating around on roller skates. The second floor is a gym with a boxing ring. It has a punching bag that actually moves and waits in the corner. And the third floor is a recording studio with a vocal and mixing booth. And the whole building is just such a great design. The colors and the Art Deco design really makes it feel like a 1950s diner. I can't wait to build it. Let's get started. This arrived. That should tell you one thing. A, not official Lego. They don't ship things like that. B, front cover of the instruction booklet, no pictures. So those are two giveaways, and let's see what's in here. They're always packed super tight. And there we have it. Okay, a tan base plate, slightly curved from being in the box. That'll straighten out over time. Here we're finishing up the pink Cadillac, and I'm adding brick loot lighting kits to the whole building, which really, really makes it stand out. As you can see here, here's the finished product. Absolutely love the kit and the lights. Love it. I just think it makes it pop. So definitely 50s. I've got Elvis out in the Cadillac like he's coming up to visit. He has his guitar in the side passenger seat. I love the headlights and the taillights on the car. I think that's just a nice touch that they added, especially these great taillights on the back. So super cool, lots of light, and it really gives you that 50s vibe. You got the manager upstairs of a recording studio looking out over the city street. Up above, we got which I thought was a door, but it's actually a skylight for the manager's office. And it is a fantastic kit. So if you get a chance to pick it up, do so, whether it's official Lego or off-brand plastic bricks. It doesn't matter to me. Here's some great shots of the inside and outside. Catch me next time for my next build. For now, Mr. Johns is out.